Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lily, for those of you who are just joining us for the very first time. Today we're just going to talk about a few of my favorite things, either products or maybe anything that I like to carry with me on an everyday. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and hit that bell so you can get notifications whenever I go ahead and download some new content. So if you want to see what are my favorite products, keep watching. First of all, one of my absolute favorite products is my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Deep Cleanser. I love to use this on my face. It is amazing, guys. It smells great. It really exfoliates. It gets in deep into the pores. It does a great job and is absolutely my favorite. You can use it in the morning time and you can use it before you go to bed. It's definitely something. It doesn't dry out your face either. So it's a very good product. Definitely something that is good and worth having. I will go ahead and price it down below in the description. The next thing that I love to use on my lips is my lip scrubber, and this lip scrubber is from Milani. It's called Keep It Sweet Sugar Lip Scrub. My lips are really dry, so when I do this, I notice that it removes all that dry skin and it gives it like a soft, silky, smooth feel. So it's definitely something that I would recommend and I love to use. Next product that I like to use when I go ahead and do my makeup, being that I have really dark under eye circles, my favorite product that I like to use is my Tartshape tape in shade medium. This has worked wonders for me. If you have any dark spots, freckles, dark circles under your eyes, this will definitely cover that up for you. It is well priced. It is I believe probably like $25 or so. I'll definitely put it in the description. I got this one at Ulta, I believe, so it's worked wonders for me. This is something that's definitely worth purchasing. My next favorite product that I like to use as I do my daily routine is my LA Girl concealer in the color Toast. I use this mainly for contouring. I'll put it over on my forehead, I'll put it on my cheeks, on my nose, I'll put it on my neck. I definitely like to use this for contouring for the simple reason that it's cream and that it blends out really well. This is my go-to when I go to do my contouring. My next favorite thing is my Kylie Cosmetic Lip. This color is called Boy Bye. It's the color I'm wearing right now, and it's my absolutely favorite color for the simple reason that it's soft, it's matte, it's not sticky. I don't like sticky lips. And the color is pretty much, for me, is muted and it goes well with my skin tone. So it's definitely my go-to lippy. Next product that I like to use is my Tartist liquid eyeliner. One end is the liquid, as you can see, and then on the other end is the little pencil. It's my favorite being that it has a lot of product. I don't like to put my liquid eyeliner on and feel that it constantly gets dry, or I constantly have to dip it or shake it or cover it. The product is very pigmented and it comes out looking nice and sleek. It's definitely one of my favorites. So this is Tartist from Tarte Cosmetics. For my eyelashes, being that I have such small little eyelashes and kind of barely not even there, whenever I use falsies, I may use this product, sometimes I don't, but when I just want to keep it simple, the mascara that I love to go to is my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This thing is great. I like it to look full, I like it to look fluffy, I just like it, bam, like you can see that I'm wearing mascara. I just love my lashes to be long, and I want them to be long so bad. So definitely this is something that you can purchase. Another face thing that I like to do when I finish my look, I like to use my NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. This one I love, it's my favorite because it gives you a dewy feel to it. It doesn't finish it matte, it doesn't make it sticky or anything like that. I don't have to go back with the blending right over it just to pat it out. No, this one's great. I love it, and it's definitely my go-to. Moving on to my Bamboo Kendi Oil Dry Oil Mist. This is for my frizz control. Well, after I finish either washing my hair, I will apply this oil to my hair. It's to control the frizz. My hair, as you may see, it's kind of long and it's straight right here, but my hair is naturally curly. So I apply this on my hair after I wash it, and either if I'm going to leave it curly, I just make sure I put enough, especially at the ends. Even if I go to use my blower or any heat products, I want to use this as well. You can even use it once your hair is dry and you wake up in the morning, or you're going somewhere and you notice that your hair might be a little bit frizzy. You can go to this. As you can see, it's pretty empty, so I do love it. The next product that I use once I wash my hair is my Garnier Fructis Smoothing Treat Hair Mask. Now, this is a 1-minute hair mask and it has avocado extract in it. I just use it as a leave-in after I wash my hair, and I mostly put it from the middle of my hair down. Being that I have a lot of split ends and my hair usually at the bottom is mostly dry, up here my hair gets greasy and oily pretty fast, but down here is always very dry. So I'll use it as a leave-in here, and then I'll just put my hair in a tight braid and I'll sleep in it, and then the next day I'll go ahead and either blow dry it or straighten it, whatever I just feel is what I want to do that day. There's 3 ways actually. It says as a mask, so after you shampoo, apply onto wet hair and leave on for 1 minute, and then you rinse it off. You can use it as a conditioner, so after shampoo, apply it to the hair from the root to the tip and then rinse. Or you can use it, as I stated, as a leave-in. Apply it onto your damp hair for frizz control and lasting smoothness, and it definitely does work. This, I think I purchased it at probably like a Walgreens or something, so any drugstore you can definitely find this. My next all-time favorite thing is my Lancome Bifacial Eye Cleaner. This removes every little thing of makeup that you have on your eyes. Your mascara, your eyeliner, your eyeshadow, everything. It does not leave any residue behind. It's the best one that I've used lately. I got this one at Sephora when I did a private party for my birthday at Sephora. Great thing. Never will go back to anything else, because this is the only thing that literally removes all of my eye makeup at once, and it doesn't leave around my eyes dry or hard. One of my all-time favorites, so definitely check this one out. My next favorite thing that I love to use is my Briogeo 100% Castor Oil. This I use for my eyebrows and I use it for my eyelashes. I have very thin, small eyelashes that you could barely see. So lately I have been putting this on the edge of a Q-tip or on a cotton ball, and I have been rubbing it on my eyelashes before I go to sleep and when I wake up in the morning. And I also rub it into my eyebrows. I've noticed that on my eyebrows, ever since I started using this, they have been getting a little bit thicker and a little bit darker. I have very light eyebrows, hardly any, especially from here down at the end of my eyebrows. I don't have very much. So I've noticed that this has been making it a little bit more thicker, and I'm just waiting to see my results on my eyelashes, because I just started using this probably about 3 weeks ago. So I'm trying to give it some time, but I've heard great reviews on this product, and I can't wait to show you guys the results on my eyelashes on this. Another thing that I love to use is my Anastasia Glow Kit. This I love to use for my bronzing. I love the color. It's the color Bronze, go figure. I'll put that on top of my contour just to make it stand out a little bit more, make it last more throughout the day. My next favorite all-time makeup palette right now, because I have several. I've tried Cardi Bible was one of my other favorites, but as of right now it would be my MorpheX James Charles palette. It is very well pigmented. It has a lot of vibrant colors that you can use for everyday basis, or if you are going out, or if you want to do a dramatic look. It definitely has a lot of colors that you can work with. The middle line is more of your neutral, so you can work when you're looking for not something so out there and you want to do your warm tones. You could definitely work in the middle row. I absolutely love them all because they're very well pigmented, but also because you can mix and match them, you can play around with them, and they're really great to work with. And right now, this one I would say is my go-to because it definitely has a color for every outfit that you're gonna wear. It's really good. Now, another one of my favorite things that I wear all the time. Everybody wears watches, right? You have a watch, either a regular watch to tell time or an iWatch like I may have. One of my new favorite things is my iWatch, okay? I got this iWatch for Christmas probably like 2 Christmases ago from my husband. And if you can see on my iWatch, I have the sports band that has a lot of the holes. And for that reason is because I have little pins. They're not really pins, they're called bandits. That are, one is a star, one is Mickey Mouse, a Minnie Mouse hat. On this side, I have a little Mickey Mouse Starbucks cup, and then right here I have a precious little donut. These are just little fashion statements for my watch that I absolutely love, and I keep them on my watch. And I get a lot of compliments on these. You can take them off, you can mix match it, you can put it on another watch as long as it has holes. You can go ahead and insert them pretty much on anything. These I purchased magicpindom.com. I'll go ahead and link her website on our description. So many cute pins, makes great accessories, and I've gotten a lot of compliments. My next favorite thing that I absolutely love to wear and take with me wherever I go are my sunglasses. If you live in the state of Florida, it's sunny and you definitely can't leave home without your sunglasses. As you can tell from the wall behind me, I love, love, love my sunglasses. The company where I purchased my sunglasses from is called DIFF Eyewear. They are a charitable company. Every purchase that you make or anyone makes on their website, they go ahead and give 1 free pair of reading glasses to someone in need in the third world countries or anywhere. I've seen them go to Cambodia, I've seen them go to a lot of different places. You can check them out at diffeyewear.com as well. Read up on them, look at their stories. They have so many good different types and variable sunglasses. This one right here are called Becky's. Come on, this is just, oh my god, look at that. This is one of my favorite sunglasses. They have so many different styles that you can choose from, different colors. They go really well with any type of face that you may have, the round, long, whatever the case may be. You can definitely find at least something there. They have what I said earlier were the blue light blocking glasses when you're on your phone and things like that. I get a lot of headaches and I didn't know what it was from, but previously I've worked in a lot of places where you have a computer in front of you. Well, from looking at the computer constantly, you tend to get headaches from that as well. So with their blue light, I decided, I said, let me take a risk. Let me go ahead and see if this actually really works. Let me tell you, ever since, they look like regular glasses. They look like regular prescription glasses. See? Nice, refresh, fun, right? Well, this has reduced my headaches incredibly. When I wear them at nighttime, when I'm on my phone or on my laptop or just even watching TV, I wear them so that way it doesn't cause too much work on my eyes. You know, when you're looking at the light, your eyes are working overtime. So these definitely have been working wonders, and if you read up on the reviews as well, you'll see that it has worked for other people too. It definitely does what it says it's gonna do. So they are definitely my favorite all-time sunglass company that I love, love, love to purchase my sunglasses from. So these are the favorite things that I love to use and carry with me on an everyday base. I will go ahead and put in the description below everything that I used, and I'll try to price them for you as well. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I will see you guys. Bye.